Golf Mike Hotel, holding point 16, ready for departure, setting course for the overhead.
Mike Hotel, runway 16, taking for your discretion, we're 180 degrees 11 knots.
Taking off Golf Mike Hotel.
Good, well done. Yeah, we fluctuated between 16 and 22 today.
Yeah.
I took off on 16 earlier, and then we changed halfway through to circuits on 22.
Yeah.
And I did my last lesson in the 4-seater just and landed on 22. So it's been quite a changey day, really.
So we got 16 on the DI, 16 on the compass, Q and IH is set, T's and P's within limits, full power. Wind from the right, ailerons to the right.
Yep.
Airspeed's alive. 60 knots. T's and P's within limits, trim for 70.
Nice takeoff, and well done.
Thank you. Golf Hotel, right base, runway 16, contact 1 ahead to land.
Golf Mike Hotel, the one ahead for a touch and go, the wind 170 degrees 8 knots.
Contact 1 ahead, roger, Golf Mike Hotel.
Okay, we put some flaps in now, we're in the white arc.
About, yeah.
That's it.
Golf Mike Hotel, final to land.
Golf Mike Hotel, runway 16, land your discretion, wind 170 degrees 8 knots.
Landing Golf Mike Hotel.
You can see when you're down here and look, that 135, that puts you straight on the centre line, yeah.
Good spot there, and yeah. So car beat. Hot, cold.
Yep.
Nice and steady.
That's it, you've got a nice long runway, so no need to rush it.
No.
There's no need to vacate at the intersection, there's no one behind us.
Yeah.
We're doing a nice long landing.
Every information, Golf Papa Sierra Romeo, just out to the northwest, inbound, request information.
Golf Papa Sierra Romeo, here you got information, runway 16, QFE 1008.
16 and 1008, Golf.
You've got the last part, isn't it?
It is, isn't it?
Nice, so just let it settle, a bit more back pressure, just hold it there. That's it, nice and relaxed. A bit more, that's it, way down. Lovely. Bit of a strange wind towards the end of that.
Yeah, it was, isn't it?
That's it, we'll keep it on the centre line and we'll keep going to the end of.
Flaps are up.
Well done, nice landing.
Thank you, Andy.